Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in the cell, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers. This video now, my people, I make rounds on social media. This video now, Zine, yo, Jaja sees, Jaja does. So this video now, couple second video, you know what I mean, gone viral, gone out there, my people. Even the Jamaica constabulary force, I say, yo, them need the assistance for locate this man who them say with this big gun in a hand and something, my people, you know what I mean? But honestly, officers, what I mean by gun, because, you know, from psychological looking and seeing that video and thing, you know, on a real level, you know, officers, you know, most can say that our fake gun still, you know, that gun they're not real in officer. You know what I mean? You know, real, but me understand the fact and me respect one for the fact for say, yo, you know, want to locate him for take that something there from him. See, because honestly, him can dead for that. See, him can man write him off for that. Man, we don't see him slap him for that. See, because I know everybody I think and say, yo, a fake is not a madman that. Man will see him and slap him for that. So I want to locate him very quick, me officer. I hope you do find him already. I just hope you do find him already and take that something there from him. I don't know who type and string or who give him or where find him, I wish Gully or where take it from and get that string upon it, my people. But all I can say is, you see, if this was in America, honestly, I'm there on ice right now, my people. Because the police they're not going to take no threat when them see him. See? No police not gonna take no check when them see with that because him head not good. Basically, him head not good, my people. You can't see him head not good. You understand? And walking around with something like that, honestly, my people, you know, if you is not a person who know about these things, you know, you can't tell so that the real or fake, you know, because it look real, you know, my viewers and subscribers. So you know, say in a lot of music video where them shoot at Jamaica and you know what I mean, other countries and thing, them use them fake thing, like you understand? Yeah, man, a fake thing, my people, really fake, you know, but it resembled so much of a real thing. If you go on Amazon, my people, you will see them thing and sell. You understand? You type in all anytime a farmer a fake strap you want, then they on Amazon, them sell them. You understand? Only thing that certain countries, their custom system won't approve them to come through custom. You see me I say about them they on Amazon. So you know, say you living at the States and thing, and people can just easily, you know what I mean, deliver there to it. But you like if you go to a custom fridge in a certain country, you not go. But some people find ways and means of to get them. And I don't know how Jamaica custom system go when they come on to them straps something here with them fake something here if they allow them. But you know, China have them market, them dirty market where them use and getting all type of things to people. You understand in the place. But as me can say people, it's not a real strap. It's fake. You know what I mean? 100 million% fake. But all me say, my respect for the person who shoot the video. Like that person I go blame them say, yo, we not set up the man life. And so, no, they helping this man life. The person who shoot this video big up on yourself. Because right now, me I tell us, man, we slap him with it. Man, we clap him. We have some boy in the street. We see man even go pray and say, yo, that's something that real or fake. Because them not going to take no trick. Them not going to go to him personally and say, yo, you know what I mean? Make me say that or whatever. Them are going to see him with it, my people. What them are going to see him with it and say, yo, you know, say, boy, they have a strap me, no know, away and get here, away and thief from, you know. And they just can them and wet him up. And when they go there and take you up, them realize, say, fake. Naturally talking, naturally speaking, my people. Because there's no way you're going to see a man with something resembling that you not pray, not think. Because them not no sense. They might black up them brain cell, cock up, my people. And see him with it. And then them are going to say, yo, you know, say two toes, boom, boom, boom. No. Them are going to pray if it take him out. I'm going to take it up. That's what they're going to pray, my people. See? So I respect the fact where this video go out, they go viral. The police, them see it and everybody can come across him and take it from him, my people. See? Because honestly, you look on him, people, 1 million, 50 million%. He made no good. He a mental problem, my people. Man, sick. See? So, yo, boy, but I don't know which Gully or where pick it up from my people, but yo, the man I walk around with him big rifle. Jaja sees, Jaja knows in a broad daylight. Big fake thing still, see me? Big up on the cell, my viewers and subscribers, man. They don't know they attacking boss, you know, one team, one team, one scheme. And my people, big up on the cell every time, again and again and again and again. I rate, you know, I love, you know. Thanks for the support, yeah, man. People, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss, because a lot of video when me have people that don't know the thing, I can't post them over here. You don't know, you have to follow the Twitter, you have to follow the IG, my people, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Follow it, my people. That don't know attacker with a H, so we do it, my people. Zine, so follow the thing, my people. Support the thing, support the Facebook page, the NEWLINK Production Official. Support the whole works, my people. Twitter, you don't know, because you don't know one team, you know. And I want dream we got, you know, and I want scheme we in, you know, my people. We're not stray, you know, we're not go the other way, you know. You know what I mean? So make sure we not support the thing. Thank you all, my people. And remember, people, promotion, package deal right now. You understand, for music, business, YouTube channel, link up, my people. For the promotion them right now. You understand? Cheap rate, good rate, and promotion do work. Me are telling this 1 million, 50 million, 100 million % promotions do work. So link up for the promotion, them people, right now.